talk about safety, we cannot always rely on others. Therefore, in this video, we're going to list some amazing gadgets that can protect you in challenging conditions. Links for all the products are available in the video description. So let's get started. Number 1. Gerber Gear GDC Money Clip with Pocket Knife. With its 1.75-inch stealth steel blade and enough for 5 credit cards, this is the perfect everyday carry item. The titanium-coated steel body is sturdy and stylish, while the G10 front plate provides additional traction. It has a large engraving surface, a finger groove with a serrated thumb rest for a more secure grip, and attractive anodized aluminum details to complete the design. The titanium-coated body and stainless steel blade make this survival gear ideal for long-term use. Taking it with you is a breeze. Its small profile ensures a hassle-free integration into your everyday life or pocket. The money clip sheath protects it when you're not using it. It measures 3.6 inches overall, has a blade length of 1.75 inches, and weighs only 2.9 ounces. The Gerber guarantee, which provides a limited lifetime warranty, ensures that everything is sturdy and long-lasting. Number 2. Caroy Portable Hotel Door Lock for Travel. Whether you're at home or on the go, this compact door lock will keep you feeling secure. The sturdy stainless steel construction ensures that it will endure a long time without breaking. It's designed to fit doors with an interior opening and a minimum distance of 0.12 inches between the door and frame. You won't need any drilling or nailing tools to install this lock, which is a major plus. Simply insert the metal component into the strike plate of the door frame, shut the door, and use the butterfly-shaped handle to tighten the screws. When it locked, no one, key or no key, will be able to open it. Whether you're at a hotel or just want to feel safer at home, this adds a level of protection. Anyone can use this lock, not only travelers. Its adaptability stems from the fact that it's compatible with a wide range of door types. Not only does it keep dogs inside, but it also provides parents with peace of mind by making it difficult for children to open the door to strangers. It may be little, but this lock is formidable. Places like hotels, houses, apartments, and dorms can all benefit from it. An effective method of increasing your home's security, it prohibits the door from opening without your knowledge or consent. Number 3. Paint Pen Stun Gun. The Paint Pen Stun Gun's ingenious design makes it easier to carry and conceal, as it resembles an ordinary pen. Put it in your bag, pocket, or purse, and no one will suspect a thing. It also has a sturdy metal clip, so it won't fall out of your purse. The Paint Pen Stun Gun packs a startling punch for its diminutive stature, a powerful and concealable option for self-defense. It outperforms several larger stun guns. An assailant may be scared away by the mere sound of its discharge, providing a covert means of defense. No one will be able to tell you're armed with a high-tech defense weapon until it's too late, thanks to the pen-like shape. The stun gun has an LED that shows the battery life, so you know it's ready to go whenever you need it. When it's time to charge, this function will notify you. Use the supplied micro USB cord for simple charging. It's not included with the wall charger, however, it can be plugged into a computer's USB port. The stun gun will always be ready to use if you charge it in this way. Number 4. Baran Banshee Personal Safety Alarm. Using this device, you can locate the alarm and a carabiner within the package. A simple clip, the carabiner, allows you to fasten the Baran Banshee to your belt loop, bag, or purse. We may discuss the alert now. It makes an ear-piercing racket. It makes a ear-piercing 130 dB noise when it goes off. From 50 feet away, that is roughly equivalent to the sound of a military jet taking off. You can be confident that it will turn heads the moment you turn it on. Additionally, the Baran Banshee is small. It's convenient because it's small enough to fit in the palm of your hand. A quick and easy way to keep it close at hand is to attach it to your bag, belt loop, or backpack. Fear not, for it shall be unharmed. The Baran Banshee can withstand the elements and is built to last. Because of its durability and resilience, it is an excellent pick for your safety requirements, even in somewhat severe weather. So the Baran Banshee is a little but powerful tool to have, whether you're out and about or just want an added layer of security. You can't go wrong with this durable, lightweight, and extraordinarily loud safety device. Number 5. Ballistic Dart Gun Launcher. Adults who enjoy shooting sports and other outdoor activities will adore this dart launcher. It has a maximum range of 30 feet and a precision of 16 feet, making it ideal for striking foam boards, wood, or cardboard. It's great for hunting, outdoor target practice, and darts, among other things. Before using it, make sure a dart is resting on a solid surface. Be careful to lift the lid to secure the launch button. Afterwards, detach the safety collar. Press the launch button to shoot the dart at your target when you're ready. Turn off the launcher, gather the darts, relocate the protective collar, and seal the safety cover after each shot. The launcher's sturdy construction includes ABS plastic and stainless steel. Take caution when handling these darts because their construction from solid stainless steel makes them both sharp and sturdy. If you're going exploring, you can use the little compass on the bottom to get you where you're going. With dimensions of 5.5 by 1.6 by 1 inches and a weight of only 3.7 ounces, the launcher is remarkably small. The weight of each dart is 0.28 ounces, and its length is 4.1 inches. Because of its compact design, it may be easily transported and used as a self-defense tool, camping accessory, or hunting accessory. Number 6. KERUI 2020 Non-Lethal Gun for Home and Self-Defense. With a length of less than 6 inches, this non-lethal defense weapon is among the most compact options available, making it ideal for a transport in a purse or pocket. It weighs less than a pound, yet it's surprisingly powerful for its size. The instrument makes use of PABA, a potent irritant that has long been relied upon by law enforcement and the military. Up to 20 feet away, it can shoot irritating bullets. These bullets, when fired, explode, releasing a mist that can incapacitate an individual for a period of up to 1 hour. Its design is remarkable, with many practical features and innovative technology. The nitrogen cartridges that come with it make it dependable and effective. A pleasant grip is assured by the ergonomic design, and accidental discharge can be prevented by the double safety system. A laser aim aid and a powerful 600 lumen stun light round out the features. This tool is easy to use. Its straightforward layout makes it suitable for users with varying levels of experience and expertise, requiring nothing in the way of formal instruction. To get you started, it comes with targets, practice cartridges, and a free video tutorial. Anyone can easily put the trigger because of how easy it is. Number 7. HyperWhistle. The maximum volume of this whistle is 142 decibels, which is extremely high. Consider that compared to a regular sports whistle, it's almost 8 times louder. It's ideal for those times when you need to get someone's attention from afar because you can hear it from more than 2 miles away. There are a few helpful extras that come with a whistle. If you feel the need to shield your ears from the loud sound, you can use the reusable hearing protectors that are provided. You can effortlessly keep it at your fingertips with the included clip-on neck lanyard. Put it in here so you can easily find it when you need it. Its versatility stems from its versatile design. You can use this whistle for a variety of purposes, including but not limited to boating, athletic events, life safety procedures, camping, and hiking. You can tell it's sturdy since it can endure the rough treatment that police officers frequently receive. Number 8. Stinger Personal Safety Alarm with Car Emergency Tool. An effective and convenient tool during times of crisis is the Stinger Safety Alarm. In an emergency, you can summon assistance by sounding its siren, which can be perceived from up to 600 feet away. The 3 LR44 button batteries needed for operation are already present in the box. Know this alarm is about more than just sound. In case you find yourself in a dire situation where you need to get out of your car fast, it comes with a window breaker as well. Because of its design, the window breaker is only compatible with tempered glass. It will not break laminated or windshield glass. A seatbelt cutter that is both sharp and practical is another asset. You can use this blade to effortlessly unbuckle your seatbelt in cases where you're unable to do it ordinarily. In the event of an emergency, this facilitates exiting the vehicle for you and other passengers, which could prevent fatalities. Aside from being lightweight and sturdy, the Stinger safety alarm is also very small. You can clip it to your belt bag, backpack, or purse thanks to the keychain loop that comes with it. This way, you may keep it close at hand and be ready for anything that may come your way. Which product would you choose for yourself? Do share it with us in the comments section below. If you enjoyed watching the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.